Good morning, traders. I want to go over my trades last week, and I actually didn't add any new positions to the account. I closed some positions, and the reason I did that is because the market had some pretty good rallies last week, and so we were able to buy back things pennies on the dollar. I'm heading on vacation today, and I'll be out for a week, but I will be checking in the mornings and into the trade room in our community room. So feel free to come on over. We've got other traders there as well, and let's talk about my trades. So let's go over to the trade journal right here and click that, and we're going to go down here to close positions, and I'm going to sort these by the close date. And you'll see right here we've got several that come up for this last week. Let's start with the first one. On June 15th, we closed a Carnival Cruise Lines that we originally placed on May 20th. Expiration date was for June 26th. Our net after closing was $166.90. If you look at the small print, it's hard to see. Originally, we made $185 right there. Hover over this again. And it cost me $17 to buy that back, and then commissions. Let's go to the next one. SOFI, 2 contracts. We placed this on May 1st, closed it on June 17th. Original expiration was July 17th. We netted out $136, and then minus our buyback was $34 on this, minus commissions as well. The original was $172. But one more thing I want to point out before we go any further on this. Let's go back to the Carnival Cruise Lines. Look at the annualized return, 90%. That wasn't like that when we first placed this trade. It's only 90% now because we closed it early. 35% on the SOFI, same thing. Let's go up to Carnival Cruise Lines here, another one. Placed May 19th. Closed June 17th. Original expiration was July 17th. We netted out $158.90. $170 was the original, minus $10 to close and minus commissions. This one wound up being, because we closed early, 87%. And the last one is Carnival Cruise Lines right here, placed June 1st, closed June 17th, strike price 25. We netted out $168.90, and the original was $212, minus $42 to close for both contracts. So if we go over here, that annualized return is 77%. Now, I hear a lot of people talking about weeklies, and I want to talk about this for a minute because I get it. It's your trading plan. You love weeklies. I don't look at it that way. I look at it, what is the best I can do for time frame, strike price. Sometimes I might sell a weekly. It's rare. Sometimes I might go 2 weeks, but usually it's 30 to 45 days. But a lot of times, once I get assigned, if the stocks drop quite a bit, I might go out 2 or 3 months and collect some real premium on that covered call. I've got videos in there on that. I did that on SMCI. I did that on PayPal. All right. So I don't get locked into, I got to do 30 to 45 days. I've got to do weeklies. I get locked into, where can I keep my stock going and make money? I don't want my stock sitting idle. Every position that I have that's a stock is covered. Okay, everything's got a covered call on it. Some I had to go further out. Okay, but I never waited. And I know some people, well, I'll wait till the stock comes back up. The problem is that what if it takes 18 months for that stock to come back up? Okay, for me, one of two things. I'll either write the covered call further out, and that may be 6 months, but I still may make 18 or 20% on it annualized. It also may mean dollar cost averaging. I'll look at it at that point, and I may buy another 100 shares to dollar cost average and then write a covered call above the combined price. Okay, so there's a lot of ways to handle your positions. My number one rule is don't let anything sit idle. If it's sitting idle, I'm not making money on it. I want to make money on everything I do. All right. I'm out next week. I'm going to be on vacation. So I will be checking in the community room. If you're not in, come over, subscribe. It's free. Try our trade journal. Try our screener. Come in the community and talk to us. All right, you've got real traders in here. They don't post a lot because, let's face it, we're not day trading here. But you will get some communication in there, and you will get traders talking to you if you come in and ask questions. All right. Market brief, you can check that. I'll have that next week as well, and that gives you kind of where the markets are at. But if you are subscribed, you'll get emailed that every day as well. All right. That's it. Come on over, press the like button, hit the subscribe button. We'd love to see you in the trade room, and keep watching the videos. Have a great day, and happy Father's Day.